So I've got a whole lot of cracks in my driveway. Some big ones, like these, and the other ones, smaller crack or thinner cracks. So I am going to be fixing these today. Stuff I'm going to use to fix it. These are the fillers I'm going to use today to fix the cracks. This guy here for the bigger concrete patches, and these tubes for slimmer, thinner cracks. So we'll see how that goes. And this is Sika Pro Select Crack Flex Sealant, and this is in gray color. So we'll see if that matches the driveway I have. So read up online, it said clean the cracks or pressure wash it. Well, I cleaned the cracks with high pressure hose, garden hose. I did not pressure wash it, but I made sure that the cracks are clean as much as I can get them to clean. And this is what it looks like. So I got first tube almost complete, and this is how much I was able to get out of that tube. So it did a good job. It filled the crack and stayed put. We'll see. So filled the sealant, so now making sure it's flat. After I used one of these tubes to fill the cracks, I realized it's only it's 10 ounces in it, which is very little to do what I needed. It had a lot of cracks. So I ended up going a different route and ended up using this concrete crack filler. This is also, this I got from Lowe's. This also has kind of polymer in it. So it's not just a concrete, but something in there that flexes. And this is 1 quart, about the same price, $10, as the tube I got from Home Depot, but I get 3 times as much material. So I ended up using 2 of these, and instead of this patch filler, 10-pound patch filler, I got one from Lowe's, which is same price, but 20-pound patch filler. So Top and Bond patch, the concrete patcher, also has polymer in it, which gives a little flexibility to expand. So this is what I ended up using. These 2 and one of these, and let's look at what the final outcome looks like. Some of the cracks were a bit too wide for the filler to hold. These I carefully filled with self-expanding foam and then filled them with the crack filler. I like the final outcome. Thanks for watching.